Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel try Soluma subscription. If you have purchased this product and they will activate subscription, they have activated subscription on your account, so how you can cancel it. So the basically cancellation is very hard. So there are only two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method is by logging into your account. When you can like visit on the official website, there is an option like login, and you can log in into your account and you can cancel it by simply logging into your dashboard. Okay, so this is the one option. Or the second option is like if this method will not work, if you have already tried this method, so if this method will not work, because I know very well, like in today's time these kind of scams is very common. Even when you cancel your subscription by logging into your account, you are not able to completely cancel your subscription. They are going to charge on your account for your upcoming bills. Okay, so what you can do, you can contact your credit card provider, and you need to make a request, like you want to know like your unwanted subscription, like which how many subscription you have activated. So you can choose the subscription and you can cancel it by making a request with your credit card provider. This is the only option by which you can cancel your subscription, and there is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. So I would like to request you, please don't try to buy these kind of product, and don't try to use this kind of product. These are all totally waste of money. If you really want to buy any product, you can visit on the amazon.com, and there are so many product available on amazon.com. You can buy, and you can like you are not going to face these kind of issues like subscription and all on amazon.com. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.